Ah. So, these poor looking onions, absolutely kaput, but almost kaput. These were chosen by us for a competition, but we forgot to plant them. The competition I set up myself, but I still forgot to plant them. So I'm going to have to plant these today. So, to have any, this one's absolute, there's nothing in that, it's pretty much dead. So, let's get a little pot. Oops. Let's see if they'll start off. Is this more than one plot? No, that'll do. Let's get some of that in there. Let's stick them in, and fingers crossed, I know it's a tiny plot, I'll transplant as soon as it gets going. There we go. Oh gosh, I'm very fingers and thumbs today. Anyways, there we go. Look at that. What a sorry state of affairs. Anyways, I'll put that. Oh, I don't have much space left. I'll put that on this one up here. Okay.